Hello everybody, Thomas Lloyd 7 here. Today we are going to try to downgrade this Xbox 360. Now, I've already done the prep work since it's already running the latest stuff for it. So I've unplugged the disk drive and I put a different hard drive in because it's like the new one's like has like 250 gigabytes and not supported like on older versions. So I've gone ahead and done that. And if you watch my latest video, I have a PS3 now. But anyways, let's move on to the bloody thing. So we've got I'm following this guide on gist.github.com. Now, if you haven't seen this method before, this involves bad update, but this is basically like really fucking dangerous because if you don't know what you're doing, and like me, you're probably gonna kill your console. So as a precaution, I've already taken out my hard drive. I mean my SATA drive because I already know it's like not compatible with the older version. So I'm just doing this as a test to see how it goes. So first of all, we got to modify the NAND backup here. So I've already loaded the oh shit, my CPU keys there. I'm gonna edit that on post. Anyways, we're gonna press exit here, and we're gonna go into, what does it say? We need to go into XE build 1759 and retail.ini. Okay. So, okay, I need to reopen it so I can, so let's write down, before I do this, we need to write down my CB, and so I know I have a Zephyr. So let's reopen the flash dump. So we got CBA, so let's open up on my Linux machine here, let's open up, right, okay, right, new file, and let's just put Zephyr 4569. Okay, got that. Let's close it now. So now we have to do that. So we go XE build 175559. Gonna go to retail. Okay, Zephyr 4569. I think this is it. Is that it? So it's only this one. It seems to be it. Let me just double check before I do this. I want to make sure we get everything. Let's move up. Okay, so this is R1, Zephyr B1, most likely. Okay, so it says here you need to copy the first 5 lines. So this. So, what should I go to? Should I go to 617.919? Okay, what to choose? I'm gonna go to Blades because I'm so original. Okay, let's go. 617 retail. Okay, so open the folder of your phone, like it, open retail.ini. We need to copy that in now, so we're making modifications. Okay. Let's go. So that's the one we need to do. Zephyr B1, got it. So Zephyr B1 or BL, whatever it is. So we just need to replace. Okay, that should be it. So save. Okay, XE build. Okay, that should be good. I don't know, I don't trust it, but let's try. CB, where we have this. We have 4569, most likely. Oh, we gotta load the source first. Okay, documents, flash dump. Okay, so we're on retail. 4569, 617. Oh boy. So now we're gonna create XE. Where do we do it? Okay. Press the create XE build button. Okay, there it is. Right up there. Did that do it? Yeah. So press show working folder. Okay, there it is. We got it. let's copy it to my USB. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be scary. Oh boy. Okay, paste. Okay, move it into here. Alright, this might be the last time this console turns on, so we're just gonna quickly say our prayers and unplug the device. So I do not have, first of all, if you're gonna do this yourself, for the love of God, make sure you have an external programmer. I'm doing this like with no hour. I've got like multiple 360s, so I'm probably fine, but this one's gonna probably do. I don't know. We're gonna see what happens. So we're gonna sign in to, hold on. Oh shit. Okay, a bad avatar is free software. If you paid for it, demand a refund. So now it's doing its magic. Look at it go. And now we just gotta hope it works. We're gonna skip ahead. So cut this out, whatever. I don't know if I'm gonna cut this out. We're gonna have this pure oh wait, no, I was got my CPU key. Alright, we good. It worked first try, hell yeah. Had some issues earlier, but you know. Okay, you're gonna give me the animation? Hello? So because I have you in there? Okay, I'm gonna restart the console. Sign in and out, and wait for it. 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 Okay, maybe it was a bad idea to use this hard drive. Okay, one of the joys of having an Xbox 360 is that it takes forever to fucking turn off because I have like a charge thing. Okay, you get out of here. Yeah, you can see. Here's the serial number. Go have it. I don't care. It's so weird hearing the startup without that from the fucking DVD drive. Let's just quickly mark this as a system drive. It's probably gonna wipe fucking everything, but you know. We're gonna give it 256 minutes. Oh shit, just wiped everything, didn't it? Yep, I'm gonna have to reinstall Bad Update, aren't I? Yeah! We're pretty much all set up. We've got the update data on this memory unit, the one floating out there, and the USB in there. So, we are all good. I've copied over the files once more, made sure they're properly safely removed so it doesn't corrupt shit. And here we go. Come on. Do your thing. Do your thing. Any moment now, we will be seeing a gracious, lovely little Bad Update. XE Unshackle animation. It's gonna be lovely, beautiful, exquisite evening. Even I'm going fucking insane. Okay. Alright. Slowed the exploit. Now let's watch it do its magic. Oh, did it fail? Wait, no, oh, it's good. Alright. Yeah, I don't care that it failed because of course I don't have any disc. What are you talking about, mate? Okay. I just realized I might have to reinstall XE launch again. XE menu, whatever it was, because... Okay, we're exploited now at least. Do we have it? No. Okay, alright. Look, we're on an XE, guys. Oh my god. It's so crazy. Okay, so we're kind of fucked, so I have to redo the entire fucking thing again because I forgot to install the bloody... Alright. Give me a moment while I just... Die. Alright. Moment of truth. Now I'll wait for me to run Bad Update and I'll get back to you once I get into XCX menu. We good. Alright. Here we go. Alright, clear. Fucking loud ass splash. Okay, exit. Here we go. Let's speed run this. Do I need? Okay, good. Okay, simple X360 NAND flash. Here we go. Here we go. Moment. Where are we? Defaulted XEX. Here we go. Okay. Press A if you want to flash your NAND. Here we go. Moment of truth. Okay, this is the moment where my Xbox might die. All right, let's just hold a prayer for it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. All right, we're not gonna touch the console. We're gonna immediately unplug any USBs. Let's see, we're gonna get a fucking E66 or something the moment it's been done, most likely. If this actually fucking works, I'm gonna be like really surprised. Okay. It's written. Alright, here we go. This is the last time we see this Xbox ever starting up now. Okay. Now that it's done, I'm gonna... Okay, here we go. Oh. Yeah! Look at that! Have you ever seen something like that happen before? Holy shit! Okay. Holy shit! Yes! Yeah, this is a fucking bad update. Holy shit. Oh my god, we're on 617. Okay. Okay. It worked. It fucking worked. Okay, I don't have any. Okay. Let's put in the hard drive. Alright, I gotta restart the console. Okay, let's take out the USBs. We don't need them anymore. We're on fucking Blades! Okay, turn off. Holy shit, I was really thinking this wouldn't work, but somehow I managed to do it. Okay, we're on fucking Blades now, hell yeah. I wonder if the title... I'm not gonna risk it. I don't want to do a title update. Dashboard update, whatever. Alright, see what happens if we plug in. This drive's already on the latest firmware. This is fucking insane. This is awesome. I'm so happy you can do this now. I don't need, like, fucking... And this is stock. It's completely stock. There's like the only thing that's been done with it is about like removing the hard drive. If I could like downgrade like the firmware, that'd be good. Okay, does the hard drive work? Let's check. Memory. Okay, it worked. Cool. We don't even need to format it, actually. This is awesome. We got a Blades 360 now. Hell yeah. Let's put a game in. Alright, I just remembered. I can't put a game in. Well... Only one way to find out if the new hard drive works with it, hey? I wish I had a memory unit. Okay. You get in there. Probably won't load. Imagine if it wipes my fucking hard drive. That'd be funny. Most likely it doesn't support it. We'll see what happens when we log in. Okay. Memory. No. Okay, it doesn't work. Cool. Good to know.